Hello, in front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down and find the settings icon, then tap on it to enter the settings. And in the settings you should have the brightness option. You can tap on it like that to change the level of brightness, and you can cycle through 3 different levels by tapping on the brightness option. And once you're done setting up your brightness, press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.